Good day, sir. As you can see on my screen, my topic for today is about Alfred Adler. So, who is Alfred Adler? Born in February 7, 1870 in Rudolf Scheim Funhaus, Vienna, Austria. Died May 28, 1937 in Aberdeen, Scotland. Adler was the founder of individual psychology, which emphasizes the uniqueness of individuals and their drive for personal growth and social interest. Father of Adler is Leopold Adler, was a wool merchant, and his mother, Franziska, was a housewife. Adler was the second of the seven children in the family, and this birth order would later become a key component in psychological theories. So here are the scientific achievements of Adler. Individual psychology emphasized the holistic nature of individuals, focusing on their social context and lifestyle. Inferiority complex. Adler believed that the feelings of inferiority could drive people to seek compensation, leading to personal growth and social interests. Highlighted the importance of social connections in contributing to the welfare of others for psychological well-being. Striving superiority. Adler suggested that all people strive to overcome personal limitation and achieve their full potential. Birth order theory. Adler theorized that the birth order firstborn where the child youngest can influence personality and traits and behavior. Lifestyle concept. The unique way an individual approaches life shaped by the early experience and goals. Impact to the society. Al- Alfred Adler's work had a profound lasting impact on society, particularly in the areas of psychology, education, personal development. His emphasis on understanding the individuals holistically and promoting social interests has influenced how we think about the mental health, personal growth, and community well-being. So this is the quote of Alfred Adler. It is easier to fight for one's principle than to live up to them. So my personal insight about this quote is that it emphasizes the universal human drive as to overcome feelings. Conclusion: Alfred Adler's work was significantly impacted society by reshaping how we view human behavior, personal growth, and community involvement. His legacy continues to inspire movements for equality, empathy, and social progress, making him a key figure in the development of modern society, modern psychology, and application to the real-world issues. So, this is where I get my ideas. These links, websites. And that's all, sir. Thank you for listening.